Welcome to Immature Designer. Today we will be talking about how we can use mask in Figma. This is a video for beginners. So I am going to teach from the beginning. So let's say that we are having this rectangle and I want to mask this face inside the rectangle, right? So what I basically want is that I want this particular avatar over here, hmm? And then I want only the half face and I don't want this hair part here. So what should I do? I'll select this avatar, I will select this rectangle, and then I will click this use as mask. I'll just click this icon and you'll see that you're having the face but you're not having the rectangle. So how to basically do something in which I'm also having the rectangle and the face as well. So for that, what you need to do is that first step is that just select the base, right? This is the base. Now you need to do the step 2 is that you need to basically copy paste this base. So I'll press copy and paste. So you'll see this is rectangle 1 and above that there is a rectangle 2. Now you need to make sure that both the rectangles are having the same coordinate and they are not separate. Okay. Now what I'll do is that I will place this image. This can be a shape, this can be any vector, this can be anything. I'm just taking this image right now and I will just place the image wherever I want. I want only this much to be visible on the rectangle and I don't want this back part. So now the step 2 is to place the rectangle. Step 1 was copy pasting. Step 2 is place the image above the rectangle. And then you just need to select this image and the one of the rectangles, rectangle 1 or rectangle 2. So just select the upper rectangle, rectangle 2, and then use this mask button. So step 3 is selecting selecting the image on the rectangle, and step 4 is pressing this button. And there you go, you have the rectangle and the image right there. Now if you want that, oh no, I want this image to be a little right, I want more of the hair, so you have to just go in the mask group and don't select the rectangle, just select the image, and then you can shift the image by pressing on it. Just shift normally and you can just place the image anywhere you like, and like this you can change the size, and there you go. So this is how we use masking in just 4 steps. First step is copy pasting, second step is placing the image wherever you want, third step is selecting the rectangle, one of the rectangle and the image, and step 4 is clicking on this use mask button and you will be done. Now I want to share a secret method how I use the mask tool and change the color of any image. As you can see that in illustrations or in SVG files, you can easily select the vectors and you can change the color from over here. But in case of images, you are not having any such options to change the color, and obviously when the color is black, you just cannot do anything. So now I want to teach how I can make this image colorful by using mask tool and easily change the color of the image. This is very easy. First of all, what I want you to do is that the first step, copy and pasting. Let's copy paste. So I have copy pasted and the coordinates are same. Now the second step is that I want to place the image, an image. Now what I want is that this hand and this puzzle part, I want it to be of blue color. Okay, so I will take the pen tool and I will just cover the hand part like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. I covered the hand part and fill it with some color and remove the stroke. Okay, so now this is kind of the image that I used earlier. So this is the image which I'm placing over this another base. Okay, so I will choose this image and change its color to blue, and then I will select one of the base like the copy pasted one, and then the step 4 is that step 3 is selecting and step 4 is pressing this button. So how this happen, you can see that I have changed the color of the image. Now similarly, I want that this part should be yellow because it's a sparkle. So let's just, it's some kind of shine, so let's just make this yellow and fill it and remove. If you will not fill that, then there won't be any color, so you need to fill it. I'll do this yellow, and then what I'll do is that I'll make sure that I have selected this image and copy pasted so that I can use this with this particular vector. I'll choose this one, I'll choose this one, and then I'll use mask. Done. Now I just want that this puzzle part should be red, so let's do this one again. Then I'll remove the stroke, I'll change the color to red, and then I will take this image and this vector, and I'll also copy paste it, use this and mask. Then now one more thing is there. When you will move, see over here, and if you will delete this image, then nothing is happening because you have already colored each part of the image with different colors, so it is already visible using these vectors, and this one and this one and this one and this one and this one. So you do not require the last this thing. Okay, if you want to keep an original file, so you can see the difference how I have colored. This was black and this is colorful. So this is how you can actually use the mask tool to change the color of your image without having an svg file, and this is very useful method. You can easily have, because some websites like flat icon, you get images for free, and for svgs you need to have the pro version, you need to pay. So you can actually download these images as well, and then you can color it by yourself and it looks perfect. So like the video if you liked it, and subscribe the channel because I come up with beginner videos for Figma and other kinds of videos as well. So just be updated and subscribe the channel.